Hi everyone. This is a very specific video on how to handle a text and a file as an input. Now you can then extrapolate this to multiple text items and a file. But basically what's happening is, let's say you want to do some company research and somebody gives you the name of the company and the 10K. And so you say, enter the name of the company and upload the 10K. And you want to analyze the 10K, and that's fine. And then let's say using that company name, you want to then go find out what the company leadership in the company news is. Now, what you don't want to do is that to the generate activity that needs to go find the company leadership based on the company name, you don't want to pass the entire 10K, which happens to be a 100-page document. And so somehow what you want to do is extract the name of the company and then have it go down its own path and then have another activity that then deals with the file. And so that's the pattern that we are showing here. And I'll kind of show it to you and then I'll run it. But basically enter the name of the company and upload the 10K. So what's going to happen is here in Gen 3, we are going to get from star 2, we are going to get the name of the company and the 10K. And we're going to say extract the name of the company and return just the company name and nothing else. So now what we've done is we basically said, I'm going to pass you the company name and I'm going to pass you the 10K. Just ignore the 10K. Just, take the company name because then I can say here, list out the C-suite for that company, get the latest news about the company. And here I can basically get a summary of the financials, and I can say, now here I want to pass all of it, including the 10K. And so that's the pattern that you'll see. And if I were to now run this, and if I were to say Walmart, and I've just downloaded the 10K for Walmart, which happens to be a 100-page document. And when I now go to my activities, you'll see that this is the company name I passed. Everything else in this attachment object is a 100-page document about Walmart. And very quickly, you'll notice, pull the company name out, Walmart Inc., and then C-suite executives. It's finding out the latest news and financials. This read the document, pull that one out, and then you're going to see these are the latest news about Walmart. And so what you see here is a very, very specific pattern that you're going to run into is if you're passing a file and you're passing a text object, you want to be able to extract the text object because there's no sense in passing a 10K to this prompt and then saying go find the leadership team and then passing an entire 10K because then the LLM is going to get confused. You want to pass the LLM only the information that it needs. And so this is a pattern that people should get very familiar with when working with AnyQuest.